Gambling and betting, according to the American Gaming Association, the industry will be hit by losses up to $43.5 billion in economy activities in the following month. Some projection was that the sports gambling industries may lose $140 billion along in the fourth weekend of the March 21-22 March 2020 and lost NCAA basketball tournament bets. Gambling companies are eager to shift customers from the retail into online casinos and poker games in the order to fight the loss of the revenue due to the cancellation of sports fixtures and shutdown of the betting shops. Gambling groups increased the advertising of the online casino games and play on social media. Some argue that virtual racing as well as draw-based games are also proving popular. Some software betting providers have specially designed campaigns promoting online betting solutions in order to attract betting companies. Long-term consequences to the betting and gambling industries might be death of small retail operators and providers, increase in the M&A, more focus on the online innovation in online, meaning that even the existing product like the sports book will pay closer attention to the obscure sports like soccer or Quidditch and more prominent support for virtual games online. In Macau, the world's top gambling destination by the revenue of all casinos were closed for 15 days in February 2020 and suffered a year-on-year revenue drop of 88%, the worst ever recorded in the territory. Unemployment International Labour Organization stated on 7 April that it predicted a 6.7% loss of the job hours globally in the second quarter of the 2020, equivalent to the 195 million full-time jobs. They also estimated that 30 million jobs were lost in the first quarter alone, compared to 25 million during the 2008 financial crisis. In January and February 2020, during the height of the epidemic in Wuhan, about 5 million people in China lost their jobs. Many of China's nearly 300 million rural migrant workers have been stranded at home in inland provinces or are trapped in Hubei provinces. In March 2020, more than 10 million Americans lost their jobs and applied for government aid. The coronavirus outbreak could cost 47 million jobs in the United States and unemployment rate may hit 22% according to the estimated by the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis. The lockdown in India has left tens of the millions of the migrant workers unemployed. The survey from the Angus Reid Institute found that 44% of the Canadian households have experienced some type of the job loss. Nearly 900,000 workers lost their jobs in Spain since it went into lockdown in mid-March 2020. During the second half of the March, 4 million French workers applied for temporary unemployment benefit and 1 million British workers applied for a universal credit scheme. Almost half a million companies in Germany have sent their workers on government subsidizing short-time working schemes known as the Kurzarbeit. The German short-time worker compensation scheme has been copied by the France and Britain. Social impact on 18 March 2020, the World Health Organization issues a report related to the mental health and the psychological issues by addressing instructions and some social consideration during the COVID-19 outbreak due to doubts if pets or other livestock may pass on coronavirus to humans. Many people were reluctant to keep their pets due to fearing transmission. For instance, in the Arab world, celebration were urging people to keep and protect their pets. Meanwhile, people in the UK tended to acquire more pets during the coronavirus lockdown.